Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm setting up the embassy here. I'm not very proud of this, but I'm going to show you. We did a little bit of tree clearing because this is where we're going to put our house and the shop. And unfortunately, we damaged one that didn't want to damage and lost another one in the process. These two are going to grow back. But they were like those branches back there, the tall ones, were actually the shortest one, and these two trees, they were very dangerous. So this will regrow. For example, like that tree right there was cut like that like 3 years ago. They just grow right back. This is just sitting here. This guy, we have to remove the roots, but one of the branches from this guy here hit this, I don't know what it is, but it was a really nice tree. And that one there was like a nice little bush. It got hit pretty bad. That one will recover. This one we now gonna have to remove. This one is a bit of a weed here, so we're gonna remove, but the two pine trees and the palm trees are there. So we have our work cut out for us because this guy's a bit of butchers. They don't know much about cutting trees, but that's the way it is. You get what you get here. So I pay a little bit of money, like literally a couple $100. Two guys came here with 3 chainsaws and chopped all of this, and now the deal is that they'll leave everything here and we'll deal with it, but I'm gonna need firewood and I'm collecting over there. Kim is taking a break, and the other side there is also a property where all the fruit trees are. We got some new ones here, and we already planted 4 more. Kim is here having a break, and we're collecting a little bit of firewood here. This is a fig tree from the neighbors, but I guess that part is ours now. But see, this is what I mean. This tree was chopped down all the way to the bottom, and they grow right back. This is what the hell is this, Kim? Damascus. So that's where we are in the new Canadian embassy in Argentina. Because the one that's there, we don't care for. But I think we're gonna put the house here, shop over there, and then I already removed a dead tree here that is laying in the ground. But I'm gonna put like a weekend log thing or something here in a pool over there. I got my perforation for water. Apparently the water is extremely good here, and I bought a submersible pump, something like that. Now I don't speak neither English or Spanish. It's ridiculous. This is my little car, but I kind of screwed this up because I should have bought a pickup truck. But maybe next week I'll do a video because I'll trade it in and get a pickup truck. But now, I hope you have a great weekend. If you excuse me, I got a little bit of a cleanup to do, so I'll catch up with you in the next one. Big kiss from Argentina. Ciao, ciao.